Hi everyone! In this video, we will identify type 1 and type 2 errors for a hypothesis test. Imagine a study is conducted to determine if a new teaching method improves nursing exam pass rates. The null hypothesis states that the pass rate with the new method is at least 75%, while the alternative hypothesis suggests that the pass rate is less than 75%. What would be a type 1 error in this context? Let's go ahead and identify the null and alternative hypotheses first. The null hypothesis was given to us that the pass rate, or the average rate for the new method, is at least 75%. At least means greater than or equal to, but for our purposes and to keep it simple, we're just going to say that it equals 75%, or 0.75. The alternative hypothesis is given to us that it suggests that the pass rate is less than 75%. So the alternative is that mu is less than 0.75. We need to identify type 1 and type 2 errors in this section, and we were asked to find the type 1 error. To help keep these straight, I like listing them out as type 1 and type 2. And then we often use the phrase true or false and go in the same order as 1 and 2 in reference to the null hypothesis. We don't say false true or false or true, we say true or false. And because we are dealing with an error, this means that we will make the wrong conclusion. So if the null hypothesis is true, then the error would be to conclude that it's not true and that we would accept the alternative. So this is when we reject the null hypothesis. And the type 2 error is that the null is false and we don't reject it. So this is when we fail to reject the null hypothesis. Let's go ahead and put that into words now. The type 1 error would be that we accept the alternative hypothesis, and the alternative hypothesis is that the pass rate is less than 75%. So a type 1 error would be if we conclude that the pass rate is less than 75%, when actually the pass rate with the new teaching method is at least 75%. We've now identified the type 1 error for this hypothesis test, and we're all done.